Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we will show you outdoor kitchen, great ideas for your yard and garden. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching. Good lighting can transform any outdoor kitchen into a warm and inviting space. Opt for soft, ambient lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. String lights, lanterns, or even a few well placed wall sconces can work wonders. Your outdoor kitchen deserves a touch of personality. Add decorative elements that reflect your style and make the space feel like an extension of your home. Hang artwork, display colorful plates, or bring in some fun and quirky accessories. Just remember, it's your outdoor kitchen, so let your imagination run wild. Cleaning and maintaining appliances. To keep your outdoor kitchen in tip-top shape, regular cleaning and maintenance are essential. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning your appliances, grills, and countertops. Regularly remove grease and food residue to prevent buildup. It may not be the most glamorous task, but a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Thanks for watching, dear friends. We will be glad if you like, subscribe and write a comment. See you soon.